Happy St. Patty's Day, and have I got a pretty green treat for you, all of you hazel-eyed girls like I am, or green-eyed girls, or even brown and blue. These are going to be super pretty. They're our new pressed pigments. The reason they're called pressed pigments instead of eyeshadow is because they don't have all of the fillers that eyeshadows do. And so it's kind of like the difference between espresso and coffee, with espresso being the highly pigmented, concentrated, and coffee being regular eyeshadow. I'm going to start with pistachio, and I couldn't resist this light green. I'm going to put it on with a brush to show you that you can do a little more of a lighter wash. It's still very pigmented, but it doesn't have to be completely super duper bold if you want to keep it a little lighter. And now I'll go in with my finger on the other side to show you the color packed side that you can get when you put it on with your finger. These are really creamy, and our regular eyeshadows are creamy and velvety, but these are like next level. It's kind of hard to describe. It's a hybrid. It kind of feels almost like a cream, but it is a powder. It's like the perfect combination of the two. So I'm going to lighten this up just a little to match my lighter side. Then we're going in with Lucky, and it's the perfect complement to give this outer part of my eye a little bit of pop. So this is pistachio, this is Lucky, and that's what color those are. Lucky is kind of a deep forest green, not quite hunter green, but a deep, pretty green. These kind of lean on the warmer side, especially pistachio, because it has a little more yellow in it, a little more of a yellow green. Because they are kind of a hybrid and really creamy, they make great eyeliners, very creamy. And I'm gonna put a little bit of gold on the inner part of my lids, just kind of a shimmery little accent. Let's kind of balance out my crease with a warm terracotta-like brown, just kind of a nice accent. Was a little messy, and the green Lucky is going up into the crease a little bit. We'll just kind of marry these together. And I want to show you real quickly how Lucky works perfectly as an eyeliner. And I almost always use our eyeshadows for my eyeliner, but even though they're very pigmented eyeshadows and very velvety, eyeshadows still contain some fillers. And so it takes several doses usually to kind of build it up. And this one with my little line brush immediately gives me depth. And so you could use a green eyeliner with this, and you don't even have to have green on your lids. You could do golds, you could do white, you could do oranges, you could do a variety of colors. It will be perfect for so many women who don't really want to be loud with their color, but want a little something. They love green. They feel like it makes their eyes pop. And so this settled deeper green as an eyeliner will be perfect for that. I want to go ahead and show you how we can use this to smoke out our lower lash line too. So I'm using Lucky with my eyeshadow brush. And the outer half, I'll do pistachio on the inner half. I'm using my Saint Lash Velvet mascara because it has a lot of juice, and I love juicy mascaras that give me a lot of pop and a lot of bang for my buck. Then I'll do Lash Leather, which is our tubing mascara, and it's a lighter formulation, and I'll use it on my lower lashes. So this is pistachio, Lucky, and then a warm brown and a little bit of gold on the inside. And I used guava on my lips and cheeks. All new pressed pigments. I do love them all. Even if you're not a super bold girl, even if you're not super glam, you can do a light wash. They're the perfect hybrid of cream and powder, and they are beautiful and perfect for St. Patty's Day or any day if you feel like green makes your eyes pop.